So text manipulation, as I said, has three different strategies. The first strategy, print line versus print. The next strategy is escape characters. Escape character is just a special character that we can put inside of our quotes. So actually inside the quotes, inside of our text here. And when we use these escape characters, it allows us to achieve special output that is not normally common within our basic means, usually. So to do that, to actually use an escape character, we use a special backslash. And then that backslash tells the compiler that the letter immediately following the backslash is a special character. It has special meaning. In Java, we have 4 different types of escape characters that we're going to use. \n, \t, \quote, and \backslash. Getting all autocorrecty on me here. Now, these 4 escape characters, if we put them inside the quotes, they're all going to achieve different things. \n means new line. It means immediately move the cursor down to the next line at that location as soon as it sees the \n. The next one is \t. That's short for tab. Immediately insert a tab at that location, wherever the cursor currently is. In Java, that means a tab is equivalent to 8 spaces. So it's actually pretty big. So you may want to be pretty conservative on using this one. And the \quote, well, think about it like this. We actually put quotes to display our text. Well, if I put another quote in here, that's going to confuse it because it thinks that's the end of the quote right there, and then this one is a mess. So how do we do that? Well, we use an escape character so we can actually put a quote in our text. Similarly for the backslash. If backslash tells the compiler that the next character is special, well, then it sees another backslash. That creates a loop. The next character is special, the next character is special, the next character is special. But because it set up this escape sequence, this escape character of backslash, it will actually display a backslash itself inside the text. So let's just do a quick little example. If I did hello world, if I display this right now and run the program, oops, I got an error because I have all these 4 things in here. Let me just quickly get rid of these. Save and run it again. We actually get hello world. Now let's start putting in a couple escape sequences. Let's put escape characters. Let's put in \n. Now that's the new line. So that instead of getting this hello world like we see here, we should actually get 2 separate lines, and we get hello world. Now again, we have to be careful. If I accidentally put a space there, that space exists inside the code. So if I run it, I actually get that space there, so it misaligns things. So I have to be careful as a programmer to make sure I don't make that mistake. Similarly, if I put the space here, now it looks fine, but in reality, there actually is a character right there, and I highlighted it. So we have to be careful. If we, for example, have like a weird colored background with an awkward colored foreground, that space may actually show up in our output. So again, we need to be very conscious about what we're doing here. Now let's put in a /t. Now again, just to show you how big a tab actually is in Java, let's run this so you can see it. And you can see it's quite huge. In most programs, you can see like these are all tabbed over. It's usually only 4 characters. But for some reason, Java likes to be excessive, and they put in 8 characters. So we have to be very conscious of this. So that's our escape characters.